Hey friends, and welcome back to my channel. This video is all about fixing the issue with God of War Ragnarok. While trying to play the game, your mouse is not working with camera. So without wasting time, let's go ahead and directly proceed with the resolution. First of all, I'll start with the basic troubleshooting steps. So here is a simple fix for you. Turning off and then turning on the mouse fix the issue for many users. So if you're using a wireless mouse, turn it off, launch the game, and once the game is started, turn it on. And if you're using a USB mouse, you can unplug it from your system once the game is started, and when you started to play the game, replug your mouse and try to check the issue of mouse not working with camera has been fixed out or not. Next basic step is to reduce the polling rate to 1000 Hz. If you have polling rate more than 1000, I recommend to reduce the polling rate to 1000 Hz. You can easily reduce your mouse polling rate using your mouse manufacturer app. Now these are the basic fixes. Now let's proceed with the advanced troubleshooting step. Right click on start menu and choose the option run. Type here services.msc and then hit the enter key. Now in services menu, you need to find a service with the name game input service. So press the G key, and once you find game input service, go ahead, double click to open it. In startup type, whatever the option is, make sure you choose the option automatic. And if service status is stopped, you need to click on the start option to start the service at once. Once the service is started, relaunch the game, and this will fix out the issue of mouse not working with camera in God of War Ragnarok. If this failed to work out, in next step, we are going to remove the problematic game input service. To do so, head over to this PC, C drive. Now in C drive, you need to proceed with two different paths to find a service with the name game input SVC. First path is C drive, program files x86, Microsoft game input x64, and you will find a service with the name game input SVC. Once you hold your mouse, you can see the creation date is of February 2023. You need to note down this date. Now second path is again C drive, Windows, System 32. Now here press the G key to find a service with the name game input SVC. Here is the service. Again, hover over your mouse and you can see this particular service is of January 2024. So which means that there are two services running right over here. So you need to delete the older one. This one is the latest one, but you need to delete the older one which is available in C drive, program files x86, Microsoft game input x64, and here is the service. Simply right click and choose the option delete. Once deleted, now head over to settings menu, click on the option apps, click on installed apps. Now in search menu, type in game input. Now here you will find the game input service. Go ahead, click on this three dot icon and choose the option uninstall. After uninstalling, make sure to restart your PC. After restarting, relaunch your God of War Ragnarok, and this will fix out the issue of mouse not working with camera. However, if all this method fails, the last hope you have is to do a reinstallation of the game input. To do so, open up your browser, and here I have a link. Copy the link from the description of this video, paste right over here, and then hit the enter key. Now in this left pane, click on the option open in NuGet Package Explorer. Now you need to expand REDIST file, and here is game input file. Double click to download it into your system. Save it into your PC. Once the file is saved, go ahead, double click, launch it, and this will install the game input service for you. Restart your PC, and after restarting your PC, this will completely fix out the issue of God of War Ragnarok mouse not working with camera. So as of now, this is all about it, friends. If this video works out for you, I request you to please click on subscribe button and turn on the bell notification icon to continue receiving updates from my channel. Thank you so much, friends. Thank you for watching.